Hi, my name's Sylvia Critcher, and a lot of you know me from working on the shows around the UK, and a lot of the time you know that the quilt that I have behind me is a piece of work that I started to do many years ago. It's called my Millennium Quilt. When I foolishly told somebody who was visiting one of the shows and I was demonstrating, they said, "When will you finish that?" And I was working on the centre, and I said, "Oh, it's Millennium," which was about 2 years prior to the turn of the century. Once I've made that particular quilt, I was then asked if I would produce some cushions. So I started out with this intention of showing all the cream work that I'm doing here. We're going to move on to see where I've moved into colour, just a little bit, because a lot of people have said to me, "Can't we do this in colour?" Yes, you can, but you can be selective. You can either use colour as a fabric, but not too dark. And on this particular one as well, I've included some embellishment with some beadwork. That's a wedding ring cushion. Or you can actually work with colour. That's what we're doing here. And I've called this particular one Summer Rose. And it goes with this particular new set of cushions where you have the rose and all the surrounding work on here is stitched with colour.